one tip I have when creating your recipes for any big holiday like Valentine's Day or Mother's Day is to think about all of your designers when you're making your recipes. I've been designing for 17 years. There are certain recipes that I will create that I know not everyone on my team can effectively pull off. So I make sure that I do have some simple, beautiful arrangements that absolutely any designer of any skill level can create. That's a really important tip because a few years ago I made all of my recipes very much the Abby Chick style, and then I was not able to use my team effectively and efficiently because I had this entire large stack of orders that I felt like really only I could create. And that's just not good for profitability. A few more tips for helping your team create your designs the way that you intended them and the way that they're displayed on your website. When I hand out my recipe sheets to my designers, the ingredients are listed in the order in which I added them to the design. So for instance, this would start with my pit, then my dusty, then my wax, then my carnations, alstroemeria, and so on. Something else that you can do that's really helpful is actually videotape yourself while you're creating your prototypes. I like to do this for several reasons. First, it's a really easy way to show it to your staff at your convenience and their convenience. This avoids you having to gather everybody up at one time and buying in more product to show them how the design is made. The other thing that this really helps with is if you're not really skilled at explaining your process, this can help you figure out what your process is. So if you're more comfortable just designing, watching it back yourself to really look at what you do and why you do it, this can help you get better at explaining that to your team. It's also really nice for your designers to be able to watch these videos to see how you created it without you taking the time to do it again.